Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. Very, very nice recovery. Things were looking a little bit shaky, but price, came through big time today. So let's get some things updated. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Go ahead and get rid of that line. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. First update, though, does come about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $1.60, one of the newest areas, although now that this purple line here is crossed up above it, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level up, and I'll talk about that purple line here in just a little bit. But one of the newest areas of support is now what I would call $1.68, meaning if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would definitely be if the price can stay up above $1.68. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below that area, that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above $1.68, that would definitely be a big sign of power going forward. And then coming back here to the purple line here, that is the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So the very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.68, like the price was able to do right here, would be best case. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above the purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of where the party finally stopped today, and that was right up there at the $1.80 mark. So $1.80 will be public enemy number one going into Wednesday. All in all, though, very, very nice day. Good recovery from Monday, and not just a question of can the price get back on track and start to build upon this momentum. Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.